I was riding number 9, heading south for Caroline. I hear that lonesome whistle blow. Got in trouble, had to roam, left my girl and left my home. I hear that lonesome whistle blow. Just a kid acting smart, I went and broke my darling's heart. I guess I was too young to know. They took me off to Georgia, Maine, locked me to a ball and chain. I hear that lonesome whistle blow. All alone, I bear the shame. I'm a number, not a name. I hear that lonesome whistle blow. All I do is sit and cry as the evening train goes by. I hear that lonesome whistle blow. I'll be locked here in this cell till my body's just a shell and my head turns whiter than snow. I'll never see that girl of mine, 'cause I'm in Georgia doing time. I hear that lonesome whistle blow.